Hey guys, I'm James and we are here at Certified RV Repair, and I'm going to give you a sneak preview of our solar packages. Now, the first package I'm going to show you, it is one of the biggest and best packages around, and we like to call it our off-grid boondockers package. All right, the first thing we're going to talk about is the solar panels on the roof. And what we have here is 2,400 watts of true solar panel. And what it's going to do is capture all the rays and bring it down to your solar bank. And the way the configuration is on the roof is going to be depending on how you do your coach and what your coach has on it. So the layouts could be a little bit different because we have to configure it around everything that your coach has. But for the most part, we're going to figure out how we can get the most power off of the solar packages that you choose. Okay, so we talked about the roof and the solar panels that are up there. And now let's talk about the rest of the package. Come on in here and I'm going to show you a couple things. So when we're in here, we use all Vectron system. And over here, if you can see, we have your solar controllers. This one has dual solar controllers due to all the power we're bringing in from the roof of this unit. And then from there, we'll go to the battery banks. Now, we use 100 amp hour batteries that are lithium batteries, and they're also smart batteries, so they're heated. So that means it's heat protection. So if you get out in the super, super cold weather, you're down in the minus degrees, you don't have to worry about it because these batteries here are heated and they're smart and they know where and watch the temperature for themselves. I'll show you where the secondary battery bank is. Come on, follow me. So in here, you'll find your secondary battery bank. So this coach will have 1,200 amp hours of battery bank, which means you can run your whole coach with this unit, depending on what you're running and how long you're running things for. And also in here, we have your servo, and that servo controls the screens on the inside so you can monitor everything that your coach is doing. Come on back out front for a second. Okay, with this dual battery system, we are talking, you're going to have 6,000 inverting power going into your coach. So you're going to be able to run everything in your coach, from ACs to TVs, to heaters, your heat pumps, your furnace, everything will be able to run with this system. Now, how long everything runs depends on you and how much stuff you're running at a time. So I'll show you the monitoring control panel on the inside. All right, here we have your Vectron energy control panel. And what this will let you know is how much power is coming into your coach, how much power you're using in your coach, and how much battery life you still have in your battery bank. And with this, you can monitor everything you're doing. So whether you're running ACs and everything like that, if it seems to be going lower on battery bank, maybe you turn off one AC and let that build up. But this lets you know everything your battery system's doing, your solar system's doing. So that's how that all operates. Just let us know what kind of coach you have and also what kind of things you want to do with your coach, and we could get the right package for you.